Hello everyone, this is Butch and Lucy's Life in the USA. How y'all doing? Yeah, I'm snowed in. Lucy's snowed in. I don't know if we'll be able to get out or not. Lucy has work tonight, or today. I'm off work, thank God. Snow's pretty deep. Wow. Lucy wants to go to work. I gotta shovel all this snow. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Still snowing out. About a foot of snow here. Look at my car. It's buried. The car's buried. Huh. I'm buried. I don't know how I'm gonna get out. I got all kinds of snow in my driveway. The snow plows is in. A lot of snow. Lots of snow. Okay guys, wish me luck. I'm not feeling well either. I gotta shovel this snow real quick. So let's see. Thanks for looking in. Bye.